yinselele indaba yomasipala abakweleta iEskom?
The problem of municipality debt is a huge problem. This is one of those that each and every month, this amount continues to grow and grow. This has to come to an end. We need to figure out and find out solutions around this.
iEskom ithi ukuxhunywa kogesi ngokungemthetho ngenye yezinto ezinomthelela omkhulu ekutheni lungapheli nya uhlelo lokucisha ugesi ngenhloso yokuwonga.
We talk about the elimination of load shedding in South Africa, but now we're having load reduction driven largely by illegal connections.
Kungenzeka kubuyiswe uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi uma lelizwe liqhubeka nokulahlekelwa amandla ogesi.
So for this coming summer, our prognosis is that if we stay below 13,000 megawatts of unplanned losses.
Sekuphele izinsuku ezingaphezulu kwe-150 iEskom yamisa uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi, kanti lokhu ke kungenxa yokulungiswa kweziphehlimandla, ikakhulukazi lezo eziphehla amandla ogesi ngamalahle.